The International Solar Alliance has been delighted to launch the SolarX Startup Challenge. We are looking at identifying people across 10 problem statement areas and focus on those startups which have followed innovative business models in order to build their growth.
The SolarX Startup Challenge has successfully concluded its first edition dedicated to the Africa region. The top 20 ideas will be awarded a cash prize each for their solutions and scalability. The winning startups will receive extensive support from the International Solar Alliance, Invest India, and other partner organizations. They will benefit from mentorship programs, investor connections, and market access programs.
The SolarX Startup Challenge was launched for the African leg in 2022. This year, we received a tremendous response from all ISA member countries in Africa, and I must thank all the startups for showing their interest in the SolarX Startup Challenge. We received 180 applicants from countries such as Ghana, Togo, Egypt, Morocco, Mauritius, Nigeria, and the likes.
It's extremely heartening to see the kind of innovative solutions that we have identified across the African region through the SolarX Grand Challenge. I'm very thankful for the team to have ideated, conceptualized, and executed this challenge.
The aim is to boost startups and innovation in the solar energy value chain. During this period, the team also conducted several capacity building workshops.
The capacity building workshops focused on sensitizing startups, innovators, and ecosystem stakeholders in Africa about the opportunity presented by this program, while also sharing expertise in the solar energy domain.
Energrow is a microfinance company that helps rural communities afford carpentry equipment, welding equipment, all sorts of different income-generating tools that people can use that also use electricity to help them earn more money, to help the energy companies earn more money, and then we make money as a financier as well. Our model is new. We're the only company on the continent that is doing this.
Normally, solar developers struggle to find funding and to create standard legal contracts. We give them access to a global market, and we use standardized smart contracts. Solar investors also exist on the other side, but normally there are big banks of funds, and generally they're locked in for 20 years. We make this investment liquid and open to all, and solar cells are always tradable.
Our innovative solution combines the use of solar power with other applications to save the land and to boost smallholder family income.
Our carts are generally modified to suit the client's wants and needs. All the carts manufactured by Musana come with 1 to 2 solar lights depending on the model and a blue flame gas cooker. This is the direct approach we have chosen to take towards promoting the use of sustainable energy whilst reducing our overall impact on the environment.
The services and products that Photons Energy Limited is providing aims at solving a number of problems, which include the technical and financial innovations that aims at accelerating the deployment of off-grid energy systems. So such systems aims at bringing energy to those areas, but also replacing the use of diesel generators or other sources of energy which are not environmentally friendly.
The Sulfur PowerFlow 100 is a reliable and sustainable solar generator that offers clean energy solutions. With a 300-watt solar panel and a 1,280 kilowatts battery, it efficiently harnesses and stores solar energy for later use. Sulfur aims to make solar energy accessible to underserved communities in Nigeria.
We built an AI model that ensures that any match that is made is completely data-driven. This works with our platform. Customers fill out a survey and they get instantly emailed the options for them, and then they connect it to an energy provider.
The SunlightUp portable solar generator. It offers a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to unreliable and expensive electricity in Nigeria. It is a portable system with both DC and AC functions that can be easily matched with solar panels as demanded. It is built with top-graded lithium-ion batteries to provide extra long backup time. It is portable and can easily be carried from one location to another.
The Smart Buddha, an environmental control device that monitors and automatically maintains the conditions at optimal levels based on the age of chicks. The processor determines whether to turn on or off a heat source. So based on the conditions, whether it's cold, it will turn it on, whether it's hot, it will turn it off. We also have incorporated SMS, sending you alerts whenever things are horribly wrong. With these systems, farmers gain benefits such as increased growth rate, reduced mortalities, reduced death rates, and above all, reduced farming stress, which leads to peace of mind.
We have created the first ever solar cooking boiler to replace these traditional, expensive firewood boilers in the Kenyan schools. As you can see on this side, this is our stove. So you can follow me to this stove. They allow these schools to cook using solar energy, and thus will replace firewood. So this stove is very efficient and it's very affordable. As you can see, this is the innovation around the stove because we're able to tap the sun's energy using our solar collectors. And using this sun, we're able to store that heat energy in these pipes. And thereafter, this energy will be used to provide heat in these kitchens.
To bridge the cold chain gap, we manufacture and supply affordable solar-powered freezers, which enables the small-scale fishers to effectively deal with the huge challenge of post-harvest fish losses by extending the shelf life of their fish harvest. We offer our freezers on a lease-to-own payment model, which makes it affordable and sustainable to the low-earning small-scale fishers. We have also introduced Kuza Freezer Cold Box, which is a last-mile cold storage solution that enables the fisher folks to deliver their fresh fish to the market from remote places. We have built an IoT technology solution which enables us to remotely monitor our products, hence improving on service quality.
Our solution is a portable solar-powered water filter. It's designed to remove harmful contaminants such as bacteria and viruses and other impurities from water, providing safe drinking water for communities in need. What sets us apart from other innovations is our affordability, making clean water accessible to even the most vulnerable of populations. And this is evidenced from what you can see in this video. As you can see, it's portable, ensuring it can be used anywhere, even the remotest areas without access to electricity. It provides a highly efficient membrane filtration system that purifies water, ensuring it meets rigorous quality standards. With surface solar, you can have peace of mind that every drop of water is safe to drink.
With Urban Greens, I have developed a very efficient model with high scalability potential for the productive use of energy using solar PV. The highly standardized aquaponics urban farming systems and corresponding business model are designed to see the deployment of thousands of these systems in the greater Kampala area and will have tremendous potential to be replicated in other urban areas as well.
Baco Motors have developed and manufactured the first electric vehicles powered by solar energy in Africa. We have created something different, a car charging itself, 350 kilometers of free charging tank to photovoltaic solar cells. It can be fully charged within 3 hours from the domestic source.
ACS Group has been delighted to develop from scratch a product, a system that we call as a farm, which is an IoT-based system that helps farmers to optimally use agricultural inputs such as water and fertilizers. It's composed of two parts. a hardware part and a software part. These devices that are installed into the farm gather and collect all the data, send it to the cloud where it is analyzed and processed and displayed on a web application or a mobile application.
We are using highly versatile inverters that can manage up to 4 energy sources. These inverters are able to accommodate 4 energy sources, including solar, grid, generator if it's available, and the batteries. And they're able to transition between all these energy sources seamlessly and dynamically in such a way that the freezers will never experience an interruption in power supply.
GreenSyn provides digitally managed pay-as-you-go enabled solar solutions. This innovation payment technology leverages the existing national telecommunication infrastructure to provide affordable energy access to vast number of low-income households and small business while overcoming the barriers of limited or absent grid access and affordability. Our products allow customers to make small, regular, mobile phone-based payments installments while owning their own solar systems.
Simply put, we assemble and distribute different types of solar systems with a pay-go financing model. Solar was able to set up shop in 5 regions of Ethiopia. The company has delivered services through partnerships with organizations such as rural SMEs, international aid, and refugee camps.
Your Nation is a developer and manufacturer of innovative renewable energy solutions that are providing decentralized infrastructure solutions that can provide both of clean electricity and safe water to the less served communities. Here we are at one of our live boxes in a farm, and the live box is providing water for irrigation, powering a submersible pump, also desalinating water only from solar for drinking, domestic use, and also for livestock and poultry purposes.
Our innovation seeks to provide a smart solution with the introduction of a mechanized water pumping station, and to also help electrify the entire community of these female farmers. This innovation will serve as a great impact to these female farmers because they will be able to adapt smart farming practices which are environmentally friendly.
So based on our big system off-grid box, we miniaturized it to get this off-grid box mini, which is a all-in system with water purification and solar power. So the raw water goes inside here, gets purified by ultrafiltration membranes like this one, and ultraviolet light to give you safe and transparent water. We're very excited about this new technology and the possibility it can unleash in saving the planet.
Let me thank all the startups and especially ISA's member countries in Africa for showing their interest and making this leg of the SolarX Startup Challenge a huge success.
I'm very, very confident that these innovations will not only propel the renewable energy sector going forward, but will pave the way for a brighter future for Africa and the world. My heartiest congratulations to all of the winners and the winning solution.
I hope that some of these become the Amazons of tomorrow in providing solar services to the people that we are talking about. We look forward to building up startups and therefore building up an ecosystem within which a large and larger number of these startups start providing solar services and therefore build up the supply of energy across the continent through solar applications.